Hi there guys, it's Joel here from Aussie Chart Trends. Today's market update is for Thursday the 29th of November. In today's update, we're just going to check out the S&P and then take a look at the asx200. Before we do that though, I've just got to remind everyone that aussiecharttrends.com.au and this video are for educational purposes only. Nothing stated at the site or in this video is intended to be used as any form of investment advice. I'm not a licensed professional. You need to make your own decisions regarding your investments. I'm just here to help anyone searching for a practical direction in today's markets. Okay guys, so let's take a look on the hourly chart of the smp500. In last night's trade, we seen that back test on that neckline, and then the markets proceeded to rally on up. In yesterday's video, I was discussing that we may come back down for a tag on this orange line or a back test on this blue line. And we got exactly that, and we had a bounce up from that point on. So guys, from this point, as you can see, the markets have stalled there at 14.10. That's where we closed. And that is a little area there of resistance that the markets need to get over. But I think we should get over this area in the coming days, and we'll reach that target of that 14.30 area. So guys, that's pretty much it for the S&P 500. Let's just track that and make sure that that market gets to its target. And if we see any weakness below this low here, or even below our left shoulder and our right shoulder there, you can see that if the markets were to come back down and go through this area, that's when I'd get concerned. But for now, the S&P is looking fairly good. All right, let's take a look at the asx200. Looking on the hourly chart here, you can see that the asx200 had that strength that we were talking about yesterday. We need to see the markets round up and take this blue line out. Now you can see that the asx200 has done this. We may come back down for a back test, and then the markets may want to head on back up. As you can see though, when we broke through this area, the asx200 wasn't sure which side of the fence to sit on here on this trend line, but we closed just within it. And with rising trend lines, if the market is in a bullish state, which it is at the moment, it is possible for the market to come back in to that rising channel and then bounce around within that area. So we'll just keep our eye on this channel, even though we did slightly bust it. So now that we have broken out to new highs, we could expect that the asx200 should reach that target, that minimum expected target of around that 4,595 area, 4,600 area. So that pretty much wraps up today's market update. I'll be back on Saturday afternoon for the weekly review. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you guys then.